Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how we can create a poll in Telegram. First we have to tap Telegram. Then you have to have a group to create a poll. I have this group, friends. Okay. Then tap this icon. From here we have gallery, file, location, poll, contact. Select poll. From here we have option to create a question. For example, best time to have a meeting. Here, Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, for example, Thursday. Okay, that's the options. From here, you can select multiple answers. Okay, quiz mode, not anonymous voting. Okay, just send. Now we have a poll. For example, I select Sunday. That's all. If you found this video helpful, like it, leave a comment, and subscribe. Have a nice time.